Hello everyone! Today, let's talk about all kinds of animals. Dear Zoo, I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me a big yellow box. It read, very heavy. Oh, what animals are very heavy? Let's open it up. Oh, an elephant. Oh, he was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me it's so tall and I see his head. A giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. It says, fragile. Let's be gentle. Very gentle. So they sent me what's that sound? Danger! What animals are dangerous? A lion. He was too fast. I sent him back. So they sent me a horse? No. I see his hump. It's a camel. But he was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a peekaboo. A monkey. Look, he's eating a banana. But he was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a small box. What is it?
Ribbit.
A frog. He was too jumpy. Bounce, bounce, bounce. I sent him back. So they thought very hard. Not a lion, not a frog, not a camel. They sent me a dog. He was perfect. I kept him. It read, from all your friends at the zoo. I love it. Thank you.